Hello, my name is Tabata Castillo Cuña, and this is my credential. And today we're gonna talk about the job of my dreams, and it's a housekeeper. A housekeeper is a very important hotel worker because she is in charge of different people and different areas. And this is a housekeeper. Where do you like to work? I would like to work in a large hotel chain. And the location of the hotel, I would like it to be in another country. It could be Hilton Hotel or Rio Hotel or Marriott Hotel. The job responsibilities. A housekeeper is the person who is in charge of the flooring department. She is the person who is in charge of the organization and checking the hotel rooms and the one who allows the status to change to available. And she is in charge of the washing process, of the decoration and the rooms and common areas. The skills and quality necessary to perform the job. A hotel housekeeper, in order to carry out her tasks correctly, must have personal abilities such as being organized, decisive, working under pressure, and a high level of demand, and you must also be responsible and be a leader. What qualifications require you need? The qualifications to be a housekeeper, you must have studies related to tourism, as you have a degree in tourism and hospitality or a degree in tourism administration, and you have to be a professional in this area, in the tourism area. How much is the salary? Um, the typical salary, well, every country is different in terms of the salaries that can be had for this position, but in general and approximately, the annual salary is between 10 and 12 million Chilean pesos, or in some cases even more, depends of the country and the hotel. It's a lot of money. And with what other professionals do you work? Other professionals with whom they will have to interact on a daily basis are receptionists, bellboys, waitress, and hotel personnel in general. Here is a receptionist, here is a bellboy, and here is a waitress. What's her daily routine? Uh, the housekeeper does not have a specific routine, but every day she has to check that everything is in order and do her daily tasks such as communication and customer service in hospitality. And they have to see the organization of the apartment service in accommodation and do the protocol management every day. And that's my presentation of the job of my dreams. And that's it. Bye.